That's who she is?
That is Kelsey Carrion. She is an up-and-coming solo artist that I am trying to sign with my agency.
Okay.
So we are taping her set tonight to get her together with some more bookings and, get her little career kind of launched for her. So she's very, very talented, writing her own material, doing lots of fun covers as well. And I'm excited to see everyone react to her tonight because when I first heard her, I was like, what?
Right.
Bring it on. So I'm excited. I'm excited.
Anything else you want to add?
Check me out. See where I'm going to head. Tell all your friends about me. JenKober.com. JenKober.com. And I want to see you, man. You coming to the show?
I'm going to try my best to,
good.
yes. You know, there's so much going on.
I understand. I will be here Christmas night and the night after. And check out the website, and all the details will be there.
A Jen Kober Christmas. I like it. The laugh. She's got it. All right. Thank you so much, as always. Good to see you.
Thanks for having me.
You're listening to the hottest internet station.
Live from the Lake City, this is LA On Air with Bray J. Broadcasting from the great state of Louisiana to the world, this is LA On Air with Bray J.
There's gotta be dynamite.
All right, here it is, ladies and gentlemen, right here for you on this edition of LA On Air. Confessions with Lana. Here it is, looking at McNeese Confessions now. Lana, good luck.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, first one is, I am married, but I do have an innocent crush on a couple McNeese students that are my clients. They are so cute and nice, and I love when they come in. Smiley face.
Okay.
What a creeper. The first comment says, fall in love with your wife. Oh my gosh. That's normal, dude. And yes, it is an innocent crush until you try to act on it. Some people want to make more of it something than it actually is. Enjoy. What a retard. Don't take advice from him.
Wow.
I will be transferring from Lamar to McNeese in the fall, and I'm a little nervous. Any advice?
Yeah.
Yeah, don't do it.
Oh
my gosh.
Oh, it's bad though.
Birth control.
The fact that
Run.
Wow.
Sorry, this is the only real advice anyone has.
Oh. Lower your expectations. Okay. That's bad. All right.
Ooh.
Moving on.
I work in a convenience store in Sulphur. Well, when I work graveyards, I go to the cooler and pour a cup of beer when I work graveyards. I don't get radio edit or anything. I just can't stand my job. This post is a bit repetitive. That's what someone put.
A bit?
Were you drinking at work when you posted this? When I'm working graveyards, I think that I'm working graveyards that I should probably not post confessions when I'm working graveyards, when I'm drinking, when I'm working graveyards, when I work in graveyards, when I'm working. Okay. I'm tired of that.
Okay. Moving along.
Let's see what we can find. Oh. I'm still in love with my ex-girlfriend. She has a boyfriend now. It's only been 2 weeks since we broke up. We went out for over 2 years. How do you get over a radio edit that cheated on you for y'all's entire relationship? Somebody put, please stop with the relationship post. You're killing my Christmas buzz. You should have been over her the second you found out she cheated. Don't be an idiot. I've been seeing a lot of that lately, too.
What's that?
Like, girls just being sketch and...
Really?
Yeah, it's sad.
Everybody is. Not everybody, but you get what I mean. A lot of people were...
A lot of girls who are literally psychotic.
Would you say that the guys have drove them there, though?
No. I think... No. I'm not... Honestly, I'm not the type of girl to blame guys for the reason why girls are the way they are. People are the way they are because something affected them, they want to... Whatever. But, I mean, if you're just going to go around and do that kind of stuff and turn into a sociopath, then that's on you. If you can't appreciate what's in front of you, like girl or guy, like there's something wrong with you. Okay, don't wear hunting camouflage if you don't have or never went hunting before.
Why are you yelling?
Because that is like, yes, I'm so glad someone posted that. I didn't break anything.
Eardrums.
Well, maybe somebody probably needed to hear that. If you're a girl and you don't hunt and your boyfriend happens to hunt, please don't dress your kid in neon orange and camouflage. Look, your kid doesn't go hunting. Like, unless you're out in the middle of the woods and it's the apocalypse and you're hiding, like, there's no reason for you to be wearing that.
Wow. Okay.
Rant over.
Thank you.
All right.
Are you sure this isn't Lana's confessions?
Confessions by Lana, confessions
With
of
Lana.
Lana. Who knows anymore?
Okay.
Somehow ends up turning into my opinion in new ways.
All right. Remember, if you have any advice that you're seeking, or if you have a rant or confession you want to share straight to Lana,
We can do love letters with Lana.
okay, you can message her on Facebook, look up Lana Landrino, like her page. You can email us at laonair@gmail.com. Again, it's discreet, so we'll keep it
We
private
say no
for you.
names.
Yes. Confidential.
Hashtag LA on air.
There you go. All right, so, you good?
So,
Okay,
Yep.
those are our confessions courtesy of McNeese Confessions.
thanks, McNeese. You always do us justice.
Here it is, more music coming away right here on LA On Air. It's Stone Rapids out of Baton Rouge with White Noise right here on LA On Air.
I never asked for more. covered in red. I couldn't hear what you said. To my cool surprise, we locked eyes, and it was discipline I
No time to wait for reparations. LB is the world's new sensation. I see what's mine, so now I'm taking. I'm about to perform a demonstration. Now I'm rocking shows and stunting on. No free t-shirts or free downloads. Look inside, ships keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya. I am the great one, that's no faking. I allow my light and fly Jamaican. Yeah, man. Airlines and hairlines be heartbreaking. Go ahead and smile, the whole world's waiting. Now I got my dough, let's start the show. All pretty, the front row. Look inside, ships keep on faking. I demand that bread, cheese, and bacon. Let me get that about ya. Let me get that about ya. About ya. Let me get that about ya. Yeah. Let me get that about ya. About ya.
The amount tendered for my verbal services rendered has entered me into an income bracket not seen by most black kids. Your melanin is a miracle waiting to happen, and only you can activate it, whether you're studying or trapping. So let me get that about you. Shout out.
Let me get that up out of you.